What are we saying, man? A new day, a new age, a new vlog, and a new location on a new video. What is going on, mate? We got the uni alumni pulling up. Gonna have a quick business meeting. It's been a minute since we met up. It's a little Rolls Royce with a custom plate there. Who's Roy? It's good to be back, mate. It's good to be back. Where's the twins at, man? Where's the twins? Gonna grab some grub, talk about investment opportunities and whatnot. They should be pulling up any second now. 1 minute away. Worry about me, G. Do you want me to hop in and show you how to park? There's low-key no spots, unless you want to swing it in disabled. Oh, let me hop in. Man don't know he's got a German car now. Long time no see. Head's looking long and everything. Nah, when you get it done, you stay to us. Swing it. Man said all the cars are coming out, the GTRs, the Supras. These are hard. He's saving the bays and that. Man said they both separately drove.
I knew they would, bro. Fuck you.
Yeah. Fuck you, Les, bro. And another thing I need to jump on is flipping the YouTube, bro. That's why this is out.
We're vlogging.
We're vlogging. We outside. You heard? Come on. This is like this is a calm spot. Fuck knows, apparently. Man said we came to the car meet and we weren't even expecting it. They don't even care, bro. They're just looking up the thing. Went to meet the man that accidentally ended up in a car meet. In an Asian car meet.
I did a pink slip, I wonder.
Yeah. Everyone put a raffle ticket in, you can win this car. Go on. Where are you gonna park? Where are you gonna swing it? Just there? Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a hard colour as well. Yeah, just let him go. He's parking. you give him the wrist, the flick of the wrist. So, hey, little cheeky cut through. Oi! I said we parked in the actual pedestrian spots. Yeah. What are you telling me, G? Long time. Wait, why did you both drive? What? Why did you both drive? I said what? I need to come from somewhere else. Yeah, what's it? I'm thinking. Oi. Put it in that spot. There's a spot there next to me, yeah. I'll save it for you. Do you not read them? Yeah, word. Man said we accidentally pulled up to a car meet. Yeah. Oh yeah, another one. There's another one. Yeah, trust.
Hey, yo, I don't want to stand up.
Yeah. Look, they're popping the hoods already, bruv. You know you're at a car meet when they're popping the hoods, bruv. Alright, come, man, then pop the hood. Tell them what we're dealing with. Yeah.
How many wrinkles, fam?
Yeah. Come, let's go get some food, man. Come back to no cars. Why not? What the f is going on here, bro? Man's boxing. Man said, I don't even know what's going on. This place is a simulation, bro. Well, where did you play?
Near Dagenham.
Come on.
No, Dagenham.
Yeah.
Near there.
Come on. Thank you, brother. Man said.
Oh, shit. Man, it's getting to the same.
Bro, Ralph's hair's looking fresh though, man.
Bro. Come on.
Sharp, mate. Just for Shake Shack. Oh, mate. It's looking good though. Sauceless donuts.
I can't lie, bro.
What are you saying? Still already putting it straight in the mouth. Can't wait for you,
Last
man.
one standing.
No sauce, mate. Yeah, I don't really either. Very hard to put a straw in, isn't it? Some like IQ test. It's the secret sauce, it's Heinz, yeah? Come on. It's real ketchup over here, man. Come, should we try to find a spot upstairs? This is giving like Wingstop vibes when it first opened up and we were there, bro. Yeah, trust. And there was that radio presenter, Snoochie Shy and that. She was looking at my zebra Yeezys when they were cool. Yeah, that's where we sat last time as well, corner. Yeah, what, that one, yeah. Come on. Aye. Dinner with a view, mate. Come on. That's my bar! What are you telling me, bro? How long has it been?
What, like 3-4 years?
When are you gonna jump on the YouTube, bro?
What is it?
When are you gonna jump on the YouTube?
Yo, I need to start ASAP.
Yeah, when it's ready, I'll put it on the thing, yeah?
Yeah.
What, is this your second Shake Shack?
Yeah. No, I think I've been like 3 times now.
What do you think? Good?
It's same one.
Same one? Loyal, bro, loyal.
Anytime I come central, I want like quickly.
Yeah, it is proper too. I think it's better than Five Guys still.
Yeah.
Lemonade, half something else. Don't even know. I think it was like half lemonade, half iced tea or something. What did you get? Fanta.
Fanta, yeah.
What did you get?
Fanta sweet though. Yeah, it's sweet. Yeah.
Ralph's hungry today. No games, bro. Hey, Cherno, when you drop it on the YouTube, man, and Ralph as well, bro.
YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you to go.
Yeah. I'll lead by example, yeah. Man said the Maybach.
You got those bikes here. They'll cost like 60 pounds. Yeah. They'll put less you, bro.
Old buses and shit. Come, let's go Leicester Square, bruv. You man, try to go casino. Nah, this is actually scary. I don't actually like being in packed out places like this. I can't lie. Yeah.
I'll say, if you start now, you would never know where you're gonna be 6 months.
Exactly that, bruv. What are you telling me? You're
Yeah,
gonna
bro.
set up,
Come
bruv?
on that trading, bro.
Come on.
Yeah,
Oh,
have
shut.
to, bro.
Ralph's got all the signals, bruv.
Bro, you're gonna flop with me. Send you a drop.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, facts. What, on that left side there?
See in front of those 2 cars there. Just the pavement.
Yeah, could do.
Oh no, maybe it's a double yellow.
Yeah.
He's in that pavement.
we got the, come on. The same colour, just one's Merc, one's BM. Got another one here. Yeah, I know. They're coming quick.
Ah, she's coming out.
We're gonna get in trouble, mate. Come, we can move it. We tried.
Now you want Merc.
Apparently.
What's the guy doing?
Nothing. Let's just park up quick and then we'll take a little picture and then we're good to go.
Oh, the Beamer Club, yeah.
Yeah. Literally. Yeah, that's hard. Come on, bro. It's dreams, bro. What dreams are made of, mate? Come on.
Yeah.
Oi, beep, beep.
They're going to disco ball.
Yeah, word. My light don't even work. Yeah, come. Say less, you man. So yeah, literally quick link up with a man them from uni. As you can see, we've all been on the grind, mate. All got a bit better cars, everything. And now, yeah, we're just living it up, enjoying the moment, mate. Enjoying moments like this. It's rare, you know what I mean? But yeah, obviously we got big plans. So everyone hit the like, subscribe button. This is just the first of many. Got some footage from different places, different countries, you know what I mean? Look at the lineup. It's only gonna get better. Only up from here. 2 beamers, too much. Come on. Let's try to see if we can get someone to take a photo. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you made it this far, make sure to drop a like, subscribe and turn push notifications on for the next one. Don't forget to drop a comment on what you thought about this video. I'll be reading all the comments, give me some ideas for future content and whatnot. But yeah, got a lot more content coming on the way. Just took a while to get used to this editing program. But we're getting quicker and quicker each one. So drop a like, subscribe, turn push notification bells on and keep in tune for the next video.